Hi, I'm James with JNC Home Repair. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a mini blind. What we're doing today is we're going to replace a mini blind here. It's got some damage to it. The blades are torn up. The rod mechanism won't open and close the shades. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to replace it. What I've done is we're going to replace it with the same name brand that we have installed right now. It makes for a much simpler installation, especially around the house if you have a whole bunch of them that match. It'll also ease your installation process. You won't have to mount the brackets again just by removing the two tabs that actually hold the mini blind in the brackets. All you'll have to do is just remove the two tabs, lift the mini blind out, go back in with your new mini blind, put the tabs back in, and then all you'll have to do is adjust your string levels. Okay? It's real simple. It's a lot easier to do it this way. Rather than try to get a different name brand mini blind where you'll have to actually remove the brackets, relocate the brackets. You take a chance of the brackets not mounting right because of the drywall damage from removing the other one. So we're just going to give you a real simple installation.